What if your quizzes could do more than just engage users? What if they could also collect payments seamlessly? In this video, I'll show you how to level up your quizzes by adding PayPal and Stripe integration with the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. It's simpler than you think, and by the end, you'll be turning clicks into cash. First, let's get everything set up. To install and activate any QSM add-on, there's an even easier way using the add-on installer. No more manual uploading or installing plugins. We'll start by downloading the add-on installer from the QSM website. After that, we will upload the zip file to your site, which should already have the QSM plugin installed. Then you're ready to go. Now let's hover over to QSM, head to extensions, and on the add-on installer page under the all add-ons tab, you'll find every available add-on. Based on your bundle plan, you can install and activate the add-ons of that plan from here. But before we get to the payment integration add-on, I'll first activate the license key for the add-on bundle pro plan I purchased. Once that's done, all the pro add-ons are ready to activate, as you can see, but we are focusing on the PayPal and Stripe integration add-on. So let's install that add-on. And as you can see, it's now activated and ready to use. Now it's time to create and edit the quiz. I'll navigate to the Quizzes and Surveys tab. Let's click on Edit. As you see, here's a ready quiz. In the Questions tab, I have pre-added the questions and the answer options. There are other tabs that you can configure, but we'll go directly to the payment option. All right, here we go with the configuration of the payment settings. In this payment management setting, I'll first enable the payment option for this quiz. We have to connect the payment mode with QSM, so I'm clicking here. As you can see, I can set the currency and choose the payment mode. I'll be using PayPal in sandbox mode, so I'll add the sandbox client ID and account email. I'll save the changes. Now let's go back to the payment management settings. First, I'll add the amount that users will need to pay for this quiz. Next, we have the flexibility to choose where we want to display the paywall, which is a key part of your strategy. For this quiz, I'm choosing to display the payment screen after the quiz submission. But you've got options. You could also display the paywall before the quiz begins, either right before it starts or after the welcome page. It all depends on your approach and what works best for your audience. Moving on to the payment type, I'm going with the attempt-based payment option and I'm keeping it for one attempt. This means that after one attempt, if a quiz taker wants to retake the quiz, they'll need to pay before accessing it again. Next, I'll add a custom quiz payment message, enable payment confirmation, and personalize the confirmation message. With all that done, I'll save the changes and we're good to go. Now, let's publish the quiz and learn to embed it. It's time to publish the quiz. Then going back to the Quizzes and Surveys tab, I'll copy the shortcode, add a new page, enter the title, and paste the shortcode and publish it. As you can see here, I am taking the quiz without payment required. Let me first fill out them. Now, after submitting the quiz, it is now asking me to pay. Same as we enable the setting of pay after during the configuration process. Once I complete the purchase, here's the result. Another possibility of displaying the paywall is before the quiz begins. The quiz price is shown before it starts. As I click Pay Now, select PayPal, log in, complete the purchase, and then I'm able to access the quiz. Let me quickly go through with them once again. So here's a bonus feature of this add-on. You can even check the payments made by the quiz takers. To do so, you need to go back and hover over to QSM, then click on Payment History. Now, as you can see, it has listed out all the transaction details. And if you found any transaction missing, you can easily add it manually, for which you need to go to Add a Transaction, select Currency, enter the amount paid, select the payment type. enter the user mail, and select the quiz for which payment is made. And it's done. Simple and easy. And that's it. You've just seen how easy it is to turn your quiz into a moneymaker using QSM's payment integration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips on boosting your online business. Thanks for watching